Hi. In this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step description of how to pronounce the TH sound. First, you should know that the TH sound is not sticking your tongue out. No, this is not the TH sound. The TH sound is also a very quiet sound, a very relaxed sound, and it doesn't require a lot of muscle movement. So let's start by talking about the position of your upper and lower teeth. The best way to get the position is to just breathe through your mouth. When you breathe through your mouth, you open your teeth a little bit to bring the air in or out. And your teeth don't touch. You just need enough space for air to go in and out. If you pronounce the TH sound with an S or a Z, as in thank you or do that, then your teeth are too close together because air cannot move in and out when you put your teeth in position for S and Z. When you have the tooth position, you keep that position. Next, let's look at your upper teeth, the back of your upper teeth. This is not an ice scraper today. This is your upper teeth. So I would like you to feel the back of your upper teeth, to just become aware of the surface. Okay, so bring your tongue in to feel the back of the upper teeth, and you'll feel that this part is smooth. And then when you get to the bottom, you begin to feel the sharper cutting edge of the bottom of your tooth. This is the area where you will pronounce the TH sound. Your tongue is going to move forward, but it doesn't push up from below. It comes up this way, and it pushes against this edge, this sharper edge of your top teeth. Now, when it pushes, the tip will be pushed out between the teeth just a little bit. They, a little part of my tongue comes in that space that you made. And then your tongue pulls back. This, they, the. If you use a T or a D for the TH sound, then your tooth position is okay, but your tongue is too high and too far back. Please try to pronounce the TH sound. I think with practice, you can have some success. Thanks for watching.